Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on Tinder. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can only search for a specific person on Tinder if you're matched with that person. Otherwise, you won't be able to search for them. Go tap open your Tinder application and make sure you're logged into your account. To search for a certain someone in your match list, tap on the message bubble at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, you'll be able to see a search box. Go to the search box and type in the name of the person that you are looking for in the search bar. After you type in the name, you'll be able to find the person in the list. Tap on their name, go to their profile in order to visit their info. That is the only way you'll be able to make your search for a specific person on Tinder. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.